Hello, fellow Nigerians. My name is Ugochukwu Nwaokoro, former Deputy Mayor of Newark, New Jersey, United States of America. I come to you today with a bleeding heart. I come to you with serious concern about the trajectory that Nigeria, our dear country, is going. Before I make this video, let me just disclaim here, I'm a firm believer in one Nigeria, a firm believer that a stronger Nigeria is beneficial to all. But that belief is not written on the stone if it's not working for everybody in Nigeria. It must work for everybody in Nigeria. We have called for restructuring of Nigeria. The government is not having that. It would have been perfect to restructure Nigeria for each of the communities, each of the nations that constitute Nigeria to gather together and talk to each other and express their concerns and their problems. What is bothering them? Why they are having problem with Nigeria as constituted today. But they're not having that. But yet, people are complaining that they are being marginalized. People are complaining that Nigeria is not working for them. Nobody's listening. But day after day, the same Nigeria or Nigerian government, instead of addressing these issues, you continue to clamp down on those people that are asking you, basically asking for help, that this thing is not working for her. Every day, you continue to kill people in the southeast, the Nigerian government, that is, the Nigerian military I'm talking about. Every day there are killings, especially in my own Imo state. So I come to you today because I can't just continue to keep quiet. President Buhari does not have a higher stake in Nigeria than myself or than any one of us that are Nigerians. So we must speak up. So I am speaking up today and I'm calling for Nigerian government to do something. Stop killing people of the south. Meanwhile, Boko Haram bandits are busy doing worse things than you claim IPOB, ESN or whoever is doing in the south. How come you're not clamping down on those? The other day I was listening to a gentleman from the north who said that he has visited bandits in their hideouts more than 11 times. He even claimed that he would take them supplies on a national TV. Government hasn't done anything about this guy. And yet, the Nigerian law enforcement, they claim they can't find these Boko Haram bandits and clamp down on them. But day after day, you continue to kill our innocent young boys and young girls in Southeast. And you term them IPOB. Even if they are IPOB, what have they done wrong? They're asking for help. IPOB is not criminal to be a member of IPOB if they are so. And by the way, I am not a member of IPOB. But I do not want our people to be killed unnecessarily. Yet election is coming. Our people, especially the South, it's good to have a presidency of Igbo extraction. But at what cost? At what cost? So the first thing the Igbos, I advise you, the Igbos, especially those clamoring to become president of Nigeria, the first thing you need to do is to get the government to sanitize our place, to calm the area down, not by bombing or killing our innocent people. You might as well get the candidacy to become the president of Nigeria, but if they kill our people, continue to kill our people, who are the people that will vote for you? Yes, it's good to have a presidency of Igbo extraction, but we need to calm the tempo in the southeast down. And the way to do that is not by bombing and killing every day our people here and there. What we need to do, what must be done, since Nigerian government does not want to do restructuring, what must be done is, folks in the southeast, especially our brothers and sisters in the National Assembly, you must bring the discussion to the forefront. You must tell the government to stop killing our people. Calm the tempo down if you truly want to have election next year. Calm the tempo down. Dialogue. Stop killing. Stop killing our young boys and young girls. And our Igbo leaders, those that are clamoring to become the president, onye ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ ọ na-achụ oke. The first thing you need to do before you say, oh, you want to be president of Nigeria or this, calm the tempo down in the southeast. Get the government to talk to those people that feel marginalized, those people that feel that Nigeria is not working for them. So I call on Ohaneze and Igbo, I call on World Igbo Congress, I call on all the Igbo organizations around the world to call to order, to call all those people running for presidency, to call all the governors from the southeast to order. Let us gather and talk to each other, Imobi, and make demands. Folks, if we lose this opportunity now, if they give us this Igbo presidency and one of us, and guess who that person will be? Is actually going to be one of the stooges of those that are against us, of those that don't want the Igbos to prosper in Nigeria. Yes, he will be an Igbo man, but guess what? He will be accountable to those that will install him in office. So what we need to do, Ohaneze and Igbo, I am begging you, Anamariunu Biko, World Igbo Congress, Anamariunu Biko, let's sit down and talk to ourselves and make demands. Let them stop killing our people. Why shouldn't Nnamdi Kanu still be in government custody? Why? What has he done? Meanwhile, I just talked about the young man that goes, Sheikh Gumi goes to see Boko Haram and bandits. Nobody has done anything, to him. I'm not condoning what Nnamdi Kanu has done, but he has presented his case. Nnamdi Kanu is not busy killing people or destroying a whole community. He has asked, he's asking for help on behalf of his people. So our leaders need to gather, talk to government, and by the way, one of the problems the South is so restive is because of Nnamdi Kanu. And yet, our people think that you can have election if Nnamdi Kanu is still under detention by the government. Oh no, that's not going to work. I don't think it will work. So what we need to do is to go and talk to the power that be. Unfortunately, this should have started from the National Assembly. But the National Assembly is a wasteful organ of government that we have in Nigeria. You ask our people to bring an issue to discuss at the National Assembly. Oh, the first thing they're going to tell you, we don't have the numbers. Okay, you don't have the numbers. They will continue to stick it up to you. If you don't have the numbers, boycott sitting at the National Assembly. If you don't sit, then it's no longer a National Assembly, it's a regional assembly. So people from the South is boycotted and have them talk. You cannot continue when they're killing our people. So I plead with all Igbo people, everybody that they can listen to. Otherwise, we're gonna miss. We think we're gonna get. Yeah, we're just gonna get an Igbo president by ethnicity, but he's not gonna serve a Nigerian, the Igbo interest, if there's any such thing. As a matter of fact, the way Nigeria is, it doesn't matter where the president is from. It doesn't matter. The country instability will still be there. And the worst thing is this: if an Igbo president emerges in 2023, all these other people will make sure that the individual does not succeed. They will put every bottleneck in the world to make sure that the individual fails. So it's not about where the president is from or this or that. It's about competency of the individual. After all, President Buhari is from the north. Daura is not safe where he's from in Castina. So if anybody thinks that an Igbo president will make the magic as Nigeria is constituted, especially with the detention and the problem agitation of IPOB and our youth in the southeast, you are making a big mistake. So, like I said, Onyola na woko anahachu oke ndi Igbo bikono. This is a good opportunity for us, but before we can talk about election, where are you even going to have this election? In the South, the way it is? All they're going to do is this. They know your place is on fire. They will choose a candidate. Yes, he's Igbo, but guess what? He's truly not Igbo. And you know who those people are. You know who those are. One of them will emerge. Is that truly the type of Igbo presidency that we were looking for? I am talking to every Igbo person. Please stop keeping quiet. It's other people's kids today. Tomorrow it might be your own kid. There's no reason why people that are asking for help should be killed every day. You continue to bomb. Although it's no longer although that we used to know. Why is that? What have our people done? Nigerian government, you killed our businesses in Aba and Onitsha. You're still wanting to kill our people. What have we done in this Nigeria? If you restructure Nigeria, it's going to work for everybody else. So, in Igbo, I am going to speak in Igbo now, or in Igbo and English. Bikono, ndebanye. Onye ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ anaghị achụ oke. Ndị anyị Igbo presidency anyị na-achọ. Then what? Kedu ihe anyị ga-emezi? Ewere ebunye ofu onye ndị anyị ma. Ndị ofu onye ndị anyị ma. Yes, ha wụ ndị Igbo. But accountability ha wụ for ndị ọzọ, unu ma ndị nnefu. Ọ ihe anyị chọrọ. Anyị enyegodi anyị Igbo presidency a, kedu ebe a ga na-eme election? Obodo anyị na-agba gara. So ihe m na-arịọ ọhaneze World Igbo Congress bikono before akwuwe election, before akwuwe, yes, anyị chọrọ Igbo presidency, a competent Igbo presidency, by the way. But before akwuwe okwu ya, ka anyị ka mụ go to the tempo na ba anyị down. We must have a very calm and tranquil ala Igbo before I get akwuwe election. As election now, echina, kedu ebe a ga-anọ mee election? Ndị Igbo anyị issue dịkwa anyị mma. Why? Oh yes, I chọrọ onye ọbụla, everybody clamoring Igbo presidency. Enye ya ofu onye na. Ofu onye a, ọwụrụ president, o nwere command na alarute village be ha. Because ala Igbo adịrọ mma. So ihe m na-arịọ unu biko, before akpawa okwu Igbo presidency, ka aka amụgodi tempo nọ na be anyị down. Obodo anyị na-enwe ọkụ. Ka ebidogodi na ihe gbasara nwanne anyị nwoke Nnamdi Kanu. Kedu ihe ọ nọ n'ụlọ nga na-eme? Kedu ihe o mere? Ihe ọ na-ajụ ha kwa ajụjụ. Ihe ọ na-ajụ ha wụ obodo anyị unu a na-eme Nigeria ada awọkụ for anyị nwa. O mere ihe ọjọọ. Why ndị be anyị nọ na National Assembly bikono ọnụwa ka ọ nọ n'isi, ọnụwa kwesịrị ibu ihe a n'isi. Ndị Igbo nọ na National Assembly kulienu na ọtọ menụ ka mmadụ. Maybe ofu onye na mmadụ abụọ n'ime ha wụ ndị na-agbalị. Ọma onye m chọrọ ịkpa ha, ọ bara uru. Betunu niile nọkọta ọnụ. Asị anyụkọ ọma mmiri ọnụ ọgba ụfụfụ. Ndị Igbo na National Assembly Nigeria ọnụwa ka ọ dị n'aka. Ihe mara ala Igbo ọnụwa ka ọ dị n'aka. Because ọnụwa na-ekunye ọtọ si na mba tata. Anya ma nọ na ebe a na-ekwu okwu ihe gbasara National Assembly. Ka anyị kpakere maka ihe gbasara ala Igbo. Ka anyị kpakere maka ka Nigerian government si handle insecurity nọ narị. Ka ha ga-esi ndị ugwu bịa ha ga-ahụ ndị bandit ebi mmụọ ha nọ. Na-enye ha supply, na-enye ha nke a, na-enye ha nke ni. But ndị a bịara anụra ofu onye wụ IPOB member mee nke a. Egbuo ya egbuo. Ọwụ dị na a na-agbu ụlọ ya ọkụ sọsọ. Egbuo onye a egbuo. Kedu ihe ha mere? Ndị Igbo kunie n'ọtọ biko no jụọ na ajụjụ. Ọ dịrị enough for Igbo presidency. Ebe obodo anyị ka na-agba ọkụ. Ihe anyị ga-ebu ụzọ mee wụ ka anyị jụọ ajụjụ, ka anyị si mba biko no, ka anyị calm down. Ka anyị calm down the tempo. Ka anyị kwụsị ndị amị ahụ si na be anyị pụọ. Unu egbuzi na ndị be anyị. Then anyị kwuo okwu. Unu akpọọ ndị IPOB, kpọọ ndị a niile na-ajụ ajụjụ, na ndị gọvanọ na ọha na eze na onye ọbụla agbakọta ọnụ. Anyị akpa ụka ume obi. Ụka nwanne na nwanne. Asị ewu ada anọ n'ụlọ. Okenye ada anọ n'ụlọ, ewu anwụọ n'ọgwụ. Ihe m ji ekwu ihe ahụ, ọ bụrụ na enweghị ihe mere, mark my word, ọ bụrụ na enweghị ihe o mere, ndị Igbo unu ga-regret this Igbo presidency a na-enye unu. Because ha ga-agbagide unu mgbe okpuru onye ọsọkwara ya wụrụ president. Ha ga-emeke sure na ị dara. Ha ga-emeke sure a ga-asị ngwa negodi Igbo president ọwụ. Igbo presidency a ga-enwe, ndị Igbo niile kwesịrị ekwu ya n'azụ. Unu che na Igbo niile ga-akwụ onye ọbụla ga-awụ president ala Igbo. ma Nnamdi Kanu na ndị ọzọ na ihe ndị ọzọ na-eme n'ala Igbo ka na-aga n'iru ma ndị amị ka na-egbu ụmụazị anyị. Ndị Igbo aka ka m na-adọ anyị nwa na ntị. Onye ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ adachi oke, biko nụ ịdachi oke kunie n'ọtọ jụọ ka akpa ihe akpa ọfụma ka mụọ tempo na be anyị down. Then ekwu eziokwu election. Yes, I chọrọ Igbo presidency, competent Igbo presidency, but ọwụ na condition anọ kịta. Asị na election nọ kịta, kedu ndị mmadụ ama mpụta dị ga-abịa tụọ vote? So kedu ihe a na-ekwu presidency, Igbo presidency? No, ka anyị kwadogo be anyị akwado first. A na-esi n'ụlọ mara mapụwa ama. Oh, just yes, individual na-achị president for their own selfish aggrandizement. Ka ejikwa dịkwa na to achieve their ambition, you will president. But this thing is beyond that. Ndị be anyị biko nụ onye ọbụla kulie ọtọ ka anyị kpaa how to secure ala Igbo first before ekwu election. Because otu ala Igbo dị kịta ị ga buru election butekwa ndị mmadụ ga-anwụkwu more and more. Ọ ihe anyị chọrọ. So a ga-ebu ụzọ, there are steps any did take. First thing first, biko ndị Igbo ebe Nigeria chọrọ to restructure. Ka anyị kpaa anyị sị okay, we must have a calm ala Igbo before a ga-ebido mewe election. Enyezi anyị Igbo presidency. Then whoever that emerges will have a sane and sanitized and tranquil society to operate. Ka ọ dị kịta ahụ ebe ihe a na-abịa sị ka aga tinye ihe dịka election. Biko ana m arịọ unu, biko ndị Igbo biko nọ. Yes, ekwuo m ka ọha m n'ọnụ onwe ndị ga-alike ihe nkwu, nwe ndị na-alike ihe nkwu, but ọ bụrụ maka mụnwa, ọ bụrụkwa maka ndị nwa na-ada like ihe nkwu. Ya afọ ndị ala Igbo niile ọ na-ewute m rinne. Every time ịgbanye news a na-anụ ndị amị agbagbukwa ndị nka, onye nke agbagbukwa ndị nka, onye nke agbagbukwa ndị nka. A na-ekwu non-government, ekwa gọọmenti n'obodo ka a ga-esi enwe non-government. Meanwhile ndị amị na-agbagharị n'obodo niile. Kedu onye wu this non-government? Kedu ndị ahụ? Ajụjụ a ga-ajụ onwe anyị. Or government, or agents of government, with this or non-government, why are they with one? So ndị Igbo biko no, onye be ya na-agba ọkụ adịghị achụ oke. Ka ibu ụzọ kpaa maka ka be anyị dị. Then Igbo presidency abatazi ya. Amarazi ya na yes, adịgo ready for ime ihe ka o kwesịrị isi mee. And ndị be anyị nọ na National Assembly biko nụ ọnụ ka ọ dị n'aka. Ana m arịọ unu biko nụ unu kwado aka, unu jisie ike, biko meghee n'ọnụ unu kwuo okwu. Ha si unu atụọ vote na national, inwero nọmba, inwero ịma na everyday na-egbu ndị be anyị. Ụjọ gị nwakwu unu ada ananụ nkwu ụlọ 2. Kwuo unu na okwu si ya nye ha ultimatum. Ọwụ na ha emehụ achọghị ka ekwuo ya, ọwụ na ha achọghị ka agbanwe, unu ejezi na for the sitting, boycott the National Assembly. Because if you boycott it, it's no longer National Assembly, it's a regional assembly. All the Southeasterners must sit before it becomes a National Assembly. You know, at least some of them will have to sit. So number, it's not enough number. Okay, na Southeast or na South before I want a number. I am a number, but all kisi where wuru opposition, kisi where wuru and go jido nwegi, kage si where again. If you say tata, no, adeke ego, no, adeke nka, no, sacrifice it for Igbo. Stop being complacent. Unuwa were part of the problem. The Banyan on a National Assembly. Because Unuwa kwesịrị ime here kwesịrị ime. By the time you have boycott, sitting on a hatcho he genti, table it down na lekwa ta here get discuss. Ali Igbo. insecurity, the killings of our young people. And then, Hasina, and what a number, at all vote, boycott the sitting. Boycott the sitting. And we continue, to make demands. So, yes, it's good to have Igbo presidency, but at what cost? You don't want to have Igbo presidency that will totally destroy us Igbo people. Because they give you Igbo presidency now, first they're going to give you a stooge. A stooge that, yes, as an Igbo man, possibly with an Igbo name. But is he really Igbo? No. And you know who those people are, by the way, you know them. I'm not telling you anybody. I'm not here to call names. So these are the things that we have to look at. Because for one, you will not hold a successful election in Igbo the way Igbo is. People will be afraid to come out to vote. Because IPOB, if you're still holding Nnamdi Kanu, ESN and IPOB will refuse, will not let election to hold. It happened. They were fighting and killing people during an Anambra election. Is that what we want? So, folks, my advice is let us first calm the tempo in our land down. Then, Igbo presidency comes, and then election. And the Igbo presidency, whoever the candidate that will emerge as the Igbo president, a Nigerian president come 2023 of Igbo extraction, will have the full support of the Igbo. And maybe then the individual will also look into restructuring. So folks, bikon ekenemuno, Kachukwu okike abịama na-echekwakwa anyị, na-edu anyị n'ala Nigeria. Zi anyị ụzọ, zi anyị ka anyị ga-esi wee na-survive n'obodo Nigeria. Obodo Nigeria makwanụ ma ndị Igbo ndị na-achọ ka ekewa bikono. One Nigeria is good for ndị Igbo. Itunanya, onwero any part of Nigeria that you go, you will not see an Igbo person operating one business or another or living there. So, in larger Nigeria, is beneficial to all. But Nigeria must be restructured for it to work for all. It's not working now. So folks, especially those our brothers and sisters in the north, when we talk about restructuring, we're not talking about splitting or denying you anything. We're talking about restructuring Nigeria for a better functionality, a better efficiency. It is not to deny anybody anything. You'll be surprised that if Nigeria is restructured, if resource control is restructured in Nigeria, it will actually benefit the North as well. So folks, please, let us tell each other the truth. Our pastors, our clergy, whether pastors, imams, whatever, please speak up. Otherwise, we are witnessing the rapid decay and rapid death of Nigeria as we know it. We don't want that to happen. I grew up in Nigeria, enjoyed Nigeria when Nigeria was functioning. I used to, when we were in secondary school, we used to close, when school closes, some of us who would leave our homes in the south and travel to the north to meet our peers, our friends in the north, and we are safe. That's the Nigeria we want. So please, everybody, calm your tempo down. Calm your anger down. Let's think and work on how to fix Nigeria. I strongly believe that a well-restructured Nigeria will work for all. Thank you very much and God bless you. Again, my name is Ugochukwu Nwaokoro, former Deputy Mayor of the city of Newark and a strong supporter of One Nigeria, but One Nigeria that works for all. Not One Nigeria as we know it, because it's not working. God bless you.